A female falcon was equipped with a satellite tracking system in South Africa before migrating to Finland. Image shows tracker data. In just 42 days, she flew over 10.0 kilometers at an incredible average of 230 kilometers per day and nearly in a straight line. Ramiro Lopez said, "What's impressive to me is how this falcon avoided dry and desolate areas like Sudan and Egypt, where it changed course to move closer to water, and it also avoided crossing over large bodies of water like the Mediterranean and Black Sea, where it would have no place to land for rest." That is some top-level course charting.